Hello, my name is Joe Skraba, and I'm President and CEO of Advantage Diagnostics, based in Austin, Texas, where we're focused around addressing the worldwide epidemic of antibiotic overuse. The problem we solve is simple. We get too many antibiotics. Common upper respiratory illnesses that need antibiotics 10% of the time get them 80% of the time. And this has led to the CDC, the World Health Organization, and the White House identifying this as a major medical epidemic. For the last 2 years, we've all been affected by a COVID pandemic. Wouldn't it have been nice if we had an opportunity to plan and to prepare for the pandemic? Well, we do with antibiotic resistance if we work quickly. 73 million Americans go to their physician each year to address these common upper respiratory illnesses like acute sinusitis, acute bronchitis, acute otitis media, and acute pharyngitis and tonsillitis. The bacterial form of these illnesses are caused by 3 pathogens: Haemophilus influenzae, Moraxella catarrhalis, and Streptococcus pneumoniae. And these are the 3 target pathogens that we test with our product. We selected sinusitis as our first indication, and we selected it because it's the largest reason antibiotics are prescribed in the outpatient clinic in the U.S. And 73 million people get a diagnosis of sinusitis in the U.S. and Europe each year, and there are no diagnostic tools to help physicians know when to prescribe antibiotics. This has led to the situation where 80% of patients walk out with prescriptions for antibiotics when only 10% need them. We've solved this problem with our Advantage SinuTest product, where we can collect a specimen, process a specimen, and gain a diagnostic result while the patient is in the office, and help physicians better diagnose and treat these patients that are affected by sinusitis. We have a great competitive position. There are no diagnostic tests that test for bacterial sinusitis in the physician's office. We have multiple issued patents that will protect us from competition, and we have a $1.7 million SBIR Phase 2B grant that will be used for patient enrollment costs in our multi-center clinical trial. Our products are patented. Our collection device, our assay buffer, and our assay test strip all have patents that are issued in the U.S. and in multiple territories. And the Haemophilus influenzae cell surface markers patents were licensed from the Ohio State University and Nationwide Children's Hospital on an exclusive worldwide basis. We're helped by having great preclinical data that's based on anatomical studies, pilot human trials, and assay performance studies that all demonstrate that we meet or exceed the FDA requirements for product clearance for this Class II de novo product. We're also benefited by having established reimbursement in place, utilizing existing CPT reimbursement codes that pay $55 a test for our product. And with the help of a health economist, we are able to demonstrate that the use of our product will reduce the standard of care treatment cost from $400 a test to $125 with the use of our product by eliminating unnecessary antibiotics and complications that are caused by those antibiotics. We have a simple business model. We sell this diagnostic test kit to the physician for $30 a test. It costs us about $6 to manufacture that. On the clinical side, the physician utilizes their test and is able to generate $55 of clinic revenue through utilizing the established reimbursement codes. This is a 35% increase in the average patient reimbursement cost for that patient visit. I'm a medical device engineer. I've spent my whole career in medical product development and commercialization. Oriana Hawkins is our Director of Assay Development, holds a PhD in Immunology and Molecular Biology. And Elisa Maldonado-Holmertz is our Director of Regulatory and Clinical Affairs. We're also assisted by a top board of directors made of top life science, entrepreneurs, and management. And on the medical advisory board, we are helped by top otolaryngologists from private practice or academic settings across the U.S. that have helped us in the development and perfection of our products. So the bottom line for upper respiratory illness diagnostics is it's a large $2 billion plus market in the U.S. alone. We have favorable regulatory environment with a Class II device product, established and lucrative reimbursement that we demonstrate that we can reduce the overall treatment cost with a strong and growing IP portfolio that's led by a strong management team, board of directors, and medical advisory board. So with the Entvantage products, everybody wins. The patient wins by getting better personalized care while they're in the physician's office. The physician wins by providing better patient care and generating more clinical revenue for their clinical practice. And the insurance provider wins by providing better patient care and reducing their standard of care treatment costs. Thank you for your attention. Again, my name is Joe Skraba, and I'm President and CEO of Entvantage Diagnostics. Thank you.